In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Luminar 4. If you prefer working in a different language, or you just want to explore the interface in a way that feels more comfortable, Luminar 4 makes it simple. The language switch is built right into the menu, so there's no need to reinstall or download extra files. I'll walk you through where to find the setting on both Windows and Mac OS, how to apply it, and a few tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. Start by opening Luminar 4 on your computer. Once the app is running, look to the very top of your screen for the menu bar. That's where the language control lives. On Windows, you'll typically find it under File or Help, then Language. The exact placement can vary slightly by build, so check both if you don't see it right away. On a Mac, click the Luminar 4 menu next to the Apple icon at the top left. There should be a language item in that menu. When you click Language, you'll see a list of available options. Select your preferred language from that list. When you choose a new language, Luminar may prompt you to restart. If it does, go ahead and confirm. If it doesn't prompt you, it's still a good idea to quit and reopen the app so all interface elements refresh properly. Before restarting, save any open work or edits just to be safe. This change affects the interface only: menus, buttons, tooltips, and dialogues, so your photos, edits, and catalog remain exactly the same. As for what's available, Luminar 4 includes multiple languages such as English, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, and Chinese, among others. The exact list can vary depending on your version and any updates you've installed, so don't be surprised if your menu shows slightly different options. If you don't see a language menu at all, make sure your Luminar 4 is updated to a recent build. Some older versions relied on your operating system's language and didn't include an in-app switch. Updating usually adds or improves the language selector, and if you ever switch to a language you don't understand, no worries. Repeat the same clicks in the same positions and select English again to switch back. Once you relaunch, take a quick look around the toolbar and menus to verify the change. That's all it takes. With the right language set, navigating tools and settings becomes much simpler, letting you focus on your editing instead of the interface.